Okay guys, now we had finished the story in our last sitting and this time we are going to look at the question answers. Okay, पहला orally अगर देखा जाए तो what was Patrick's problem? Well, Patrick's problem was that he hated homework. And why did the elf feel cursed? तो मैंने आपको बताया था ना, बेचारा आसमान से गिरा खजूर पे अटका. Although like Patrick saved him from the cat, now he had to do all his homework and that is why he felt cursed. Okay, now let us start the MCQ. Patrick played hockey, basketball, Nintendo. तीनों तो खेलता है वो. So answer will be C, both A and B वाला. Patrick had a pet cat. Who was the little doll in reality? An elf. Patrick wanted the elf to make him help him with homework for dash days, 35 days. Semester में 35 days ही बचे हुए थे ना. What was a mystery for elves? Okay, human history. What happened when Patrick got all A's? Okay, pet teachers smiled and praised Patrick. Classmates were amazed. Yeah, दोनों बात सही है. Okay, what did the teachers tell Patrick? Did they tell the truth? Okay, the answer of this question is in the very beginning, right? His teachers told him, Patrick, do your homework or you won't learn a thing. And it was true because sometimes he did feel like an ignoramus. Next is, what was Patrick's cat playing with? Well, Patrick's cat was playing with what looked like a doll, but in reality it was an elf. What did the elf look like? Okay, elf कैसा दिखता था? Well, the elf was a man of the tiniest size. He had a little wool shirt with old-fashioned breeches and a high tall hat much like a witch's. Okay, that's how he appeared. Which wish was granted by the elf to Patrick? That the elf will do all his homework for the rest of the semester. Describe elf's reaction to Patrick's demand. Okay, that answer is right here. Well, his face wrinkled like a dishcloth thrown in the hamper. He kicked his legs and doubled his fists, and he grimaced and scowled and pursed his lips. Right? That is his reaction, or that was his reaction. Why did the elf send Patrick to the library? To get the books on human history, not Indian, on human history, right? The elves know, because the elf knew nothing of human history, and that is why he asked Patrick to go to the library and bring him more and more books. What did Patrick do to become a model kid? Okay, model kid बनने के लिए Patrick क्या करता है? So, well, now he cleaned his room, did his chores and was cheerful and never rude. Right? ये सारी चीज़ वो करता है model kid बनने के लिए. Why did Patrick consider himself lucky? Well, he considered himself lucky for having found that elf. He wanted to use that elf to do all his homework. Which subjects were difficult for the elf and how was he helped? Well, maths and history were difficult for the elf. He was helped by Patrick, right? Patrick sat by his side and helped him with addition, subtraction, division and fraction. He also brought him books on human history and read them to him. How did the elf help Patrick by being a nag? Well, by constantly asking for Patrick's help, the elf ensured that Patrick spent time with his books. He read the books and that way he learned something. Here, sit down beside me. You simply must guide me. Explain how the elf played a trick on the Patrick. Well, although he was asking only for Patrick's help or guidance, reality is that he was making Patrick spend more time on his studies and that way learn the things. Who do you think did Patrick's homework? Give reasons for your answer. Well, I think it was Patrick who did his homework. A reason is that the elf didn't know much about the things taught in school, or like taught to humans. That is why he was constantly taking Patrick's help, and every time Patrick helped the elf, he had to do some reading, and that way like he was the one actually doing that job. So well, that's it for this session. I hope that you got all the question answers. So you will finish the question answer section of this chapter. In the next one, we will look at letter writing. We will be writing an informal letter. Okay, well then, bye bye.